In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Canva template or design. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva, or go directly to canva.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your account so your designs and uploads sync properly across devices. If you're new, creating a free account takes only a moment, and it's important because uploads are saved to your library for future projects. From the home page, click Create to start a new design. You can pick a preset size like Instagram post, presentation, or custom size depending on where your design will be used. After the editor opens, choose a template that matches your style or the layout you have in mind. Templates give you a great foundation and make it easier to place images neatly without starting from a blank canvas. With your design open, look to the left sidebar and select Uploads. This is your hub for bringing in files from your computer. Click Upload Files, then browse to the image you want to add. Common formats like JPG and PNG work perfectly. You'll see a small progress indicator. Give it a moment to finish uploading, especially if your file is large or your connection is slower. When the upload appears in your library, click the image to place it onto the page. If your template contains a photo frame, simply drag the image over the frame until it snaps into place. This keeps your picture neatly cropped to the shape of the frame without extra effort. Now fine-tune its placement. Use the corner handles to resize proportionally and drag to move the image exactly where you want it. If the picture sits inside a frame, double-click to reposition the crop within the frame. The toolbar above also gives you quick controls to crop, flip, or adjust brightness and contrast, so your photo matches the rest of the design. If elements overlap, use the position options to move the image forward or backward. For subtle looks, adjust transparency to let background colors or textures show through. That's the entire process. Open Canva, sign in, create a design, choose a template, upload your photo, wait for the upload to complete, select it, and then resize and move it into place. Once you're happy with the layout, you're ready to continue designing or finalize your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.